Hello, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button, like this. After you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen, like this, to open the watch face menu. In this menu we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through it. Now let's find the watch face we like and let's tap on it to apply it. For example, this one, let's tap on it to apply it on our watch, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu, and under some of the watch faces you can find this settings icon. Tap on it, and here we can, for example, change the element settings. So let's tap on element setting, and we can change the widgets. We can tap on one and select the different widget from the list right here. For example, we can tap on general category, and here we have for items like app shortcut, unread notification count and stuff like that, like battery. Let's select the unread notification count. Then let's tap on the second widget and select something like clock and maybe date. And once you're done, press the upper button to confirm. You can also go back, tap on settings icon, and here you can select it theme. So let's tap on choose theme, and we have blue and orange. Let's select orange and then press the upper button, and here we have it. You can also open the watch face menu, scroll to the right side of it, and you have this icon called see more watch faces. Let's tap on it. Give me a second. Let's tap on it, and here you have, oh my bad, let's open it again. And here we have more watch faces we can add to the list right there. As you can see, we have quite few. To do it, find the watch face you like. For example, let's add Google Fit. As you can see, it appeared in the list right here in the watch face menu, and we can apply it on our watch. We can also remove some of the watch faces from this list by swiping up on them. So for example, we can remove Google Fit by swiping up on it. Okay. We can also change the watch faces by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the Google Wear OS app, Wear OS. And in the app, you should see this page. And here you have watch faces category. Tap on more. And right here we have a list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. Let's find the one we like, for example, this one, and tap on it. And it should be applied to our watch automatically, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.